The extreme summer heat is pushing the electric bills higher. One of the reasons for this increase is the amount of time the AC is running. In this video, I will show you one way that you're able to reduce this cost. That is, with making sure that your AC is running as efficiently as possible. Stay tuned.
If you are a subscriber to my channel, thank you and welcome back. If you're not, please consider subscribing. It's free. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss upcoming videos.
The outdoor unit, also referred to the condenser, is responsible for removing heat from the system. The refrigerant, which removes the heat from the house, and the heat that's generated by the compressor, and all the other components that generate heat. The way this is done is by using a fan that sucks the air from the surrounding through the coil and the fins and blows it out the top. This is why when the AC is cooling, when you put your hand on the top of the unit, you feel warm air coming out the top. That's a sign that the AC is working. As this air is being sucked into the unit, dirt and debris gets caught in between the fin, and eventually, as the dirt and debris builds up, air is restricted, just like that dirty air filter that you pulled out of that unit from the inside. Then the unit is not going to run as efficiently as possible. Therefore, the cost to operate it goes up. So here's how you clean it.
Now, a word from our sponsor, Red Disc Seal, inventors of bathtub spout rear seal.
Turn the power off to the unit. Next, take off the top cover by removing these screws. Remember, the fan is connected. There are some wires that go down to the control panel, but these wires, they have enough slack that gives you ability to just tilt the top. When you tilt the top, make sure you don't bend those blades. Take extra care. Carefully rest the assembly or just hold it while you use a sprayer to just spray water starting from the top and push all this dirt and debris in the same direction that they came in. Push them back out. Start from the top, go all the way down until all the water that you see coming out of the bottom of the unit is clear. Then reassemble the top. Make sure none of the wires are getting pinched or none of the wires are hanging down as the blade rotates to make sure they're staying clear of the blade. Secure the top, turn the power back on, enjoy the saving. If you like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you are not a subscriber, click on the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. Consider becoming a super fan by clicking thanks to donate. Again, thank you for supporting this channel and supporting our sponsors.